Hello everyone, my name is Mike Benninger. I'm the director of New Windsor Music Academy, and I wanted to share with you something you can do that's fun at home even if you're not a musician, and get the whole family involved. So what I've done here is I have 5 glasses of water, and they're all filled to different levels to create different pitches. Now you can do as many glasses as you want with different levels, different size glasses to create different sounds. Here's a classic tune you all know. Then you could have another family member or several and use multiple spoons. Just be careful how hard you hit the glasses. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day.